Wake up, polish up. What's up? It's your girl, Polish with Bliss. I am back with another video here to help you polish up your act so that you can attract health, love, happiness, wealth, and all of that. So if you are new to my channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and be sure to hit the buzzer as well because I do post new videos every single weekend. If you are ready to get polished in for the win, go ahead and hit that like button right now, and we're gonna go ahead and jump right into it. So today's video is all about giving you the 5 habits of intentional, polished, and successful people, period. So that's what you're gonna learn. You're gonna learn how to be intentional. That's very important in life. A lot of people in life are not intentional. They go with the flow. They wake up and they just get handed whatever life hands them. They don't have any goals or even think of the fact to even try to be intentional, try to have control over their day, to have some structure. They don't plan it out. So today, that's what you'll be learning, how to be intentional. So first off, I'm just going to explain that intentions, they help us direct ourselves to the path in which we want to go on. It's basically saying that you are intending to make a specific part of your day go a certain way. So it just basically gives you a strong foundation to start with. When you start off being intentional each and every day, at the beginning of the day, you can get out a sheet of paper and you write down your intent for the day, what you would like to have. So pretty much you start off by always asking yourself the reason behind each task that you're wanting to do. So if you know why you want to do something, what is the purpose for it, you definitely will have that fuel to keep going when you know why. Don't just say, oh, I want to get this done, I want to get that done. If you know why you need to get it done, that's going to be the fuel for you to keep going. And you're going to push like, all right, I got to get this done because that, I got to get this done because of that. And you're going to be more intentional and have more direction and focus on what you're trying to get done for the day. So the first habit of being intentional, like a polished and successful person, that is going to be start by planning everything the day before. This is just a starter up thing that you can start practicing every night before you go to bed. Think about, what do you have to do tomorrow? What do you want to do? Plan it out. Write out everything that you want to have done. You know, you can write a small list. Don't go too above and beyond. Write out a list, a few things that you definitely want to have done the day that's coming up. So you do that. That's one habit that you'll start doing that'll make you intentional when you plan the day before. So the second habit is all about starting off the day when you wake up with that goal in mind. That means you have that focus, that direction, and you know, instead of being distracted on other things, you know already, all right, this morning I'm gonna do that. So when you start off the day with that intention in mind, it helps you stay focused because you know the objective that you have at hand. So we're gonna go ahead to the next one, which is habit number 3. Habit number 3 is all about setting boundaries and limits for distractions. We all know things come up. People might call, people might text. You might even find yourself scrolling on social media. Have boundaries and limits and have some breaks. Set breaks throughout the day. If you have a busy day ahead, if it's your day off of work and you want to get a few things done, like I said, habit 1, you plan the day before. Habit 2, you start the day off with that goal in mind. Habit 3, you have planned breaks and limits and boundaries for your day. So that means any challenges or obstacles that may come up, you already kind of have a little plan. Everything won't be perfect, but at least this gives you the structure that you're looking for. It's better than having no plan at all. So habit number 4 is all about choosing reason over feelings. And what this means is, if you know the reason why you're doing something rather than the feelings, you're gonna achieve it. Way like a 99% chance that you will achieve it. When I say reason over feelings, that means everybody get that point to where they want to say, oh, I don't feel like doing that. I don't have the energy to do that. I don't feel like I got this going on, I got that going on. Feelings, those are emotions, those are temporary. When you know the reason why you need to do something, you push past those temporary emotions, those feelings. So choose reason over feelings. And lastly, but not least, we have habit number 5, which is going to be all about self care, renewing, and refreshing. This is just so important. And my self care routine is totally different. That'll be a whole nother video for another time. But just to let you guys know what I mean by self care is not about beauty and all of that. It's about taking care of your mind, body, and soul. So you can do things like journaling, closing your eyes, and doing some deep breathing, relaxing, and just taking time out to not think, to not overthink about things, just relaxing, unwinding, and being still in silence. Those are the things, and those are the 5 habits that you can start incorporating in your day to day life to have a more intentional day. You know, that's how you can live in a more intentional way. So I hope you love this video. Like I said, go ahead and like this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I will see you in the next video.